Hi everyone. So as we all are working from home these days, including children, right? We are working for our office work or business or whatever we are doing. Mostly we are working from home, sitting on computer, right? 8 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour maybe. Even children are also working from home. So I'll tell you why I'll say children are working from home. I remember my child, elder son, when last year when he used to go to school, he asked me many times that we are away from home for more than 9 hours, but we are not getting paid. But I told him that you are going to school to learn, right? So he said, whatever they are teaching in school, most of the things I already know. So this is the situation you have when you have teacher at home. But anyway, so because of children plus us adult are working on computer, sitting on chair and focused on screen, that is resulting to some health challenge, especially to eyes, to neck, shoulder pain, back pain, and few more. So how to overcome that? There are Today I am going to tell you simple three exercise three exercise which you can finish in 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. I'll share 2 minute exercise which will help to protect or prevent any issue from eyes or neck and shoulder because of working or spending a lot of time on the screen. So this 2 minute exercise children can also do, and for adult I will share additional three exercise and one bonus tips to keep yourself fit and healthy. It should not be just because you are spending time on screen, it should not affect your health. So here it is, the first one. So first three exercise children and adult both can do. Next three exercise which I'll share, it is only for adult. Children can also do, but mainly it is for adult, right? So here is the first three exercise for children and adult. The first one is related to eye, because we are spending much time on screen. We have radiation, I mean our eyes is exposed to the radiation from the screen, and it is also very important to protect our eyes, right? So to protect the eyes, do the eye exercise, and it is nothing but movement, rotation of eye. So focus here and remember this, and also help children to do this. So in my home, like my both son, at mostly after every period they will do 2 minutes these three exercise, and then they will go to washroom or eat something. But this is it is in their habit that they will do 2 minute exercise. So the first one is for eye. So eye rotation, like simply rotate your eye, and children eye also, like help him to rotate their eye three times in left, look left, extreme left and right, again left and right, left and right three times, then up and down, extreme up, stretch it maximum as much you can, and then down, up and down, then this left up and right down, left up and right down, left up and right down three times, then right up and left down, right up and left down, right up and left down. Now rotate clockwise three times, clockwise extreme, make a big circle with eye, big circle three times in clockwise and anti-clockwise. This was for eye. Now neck rotation. So simply three times extreme left, turn left, slowly, not with jerk, slowly, and right as much you can do, again 3 times left and right, not with jerk but slowly, and extreme left and right. Now come to the center, then bend your neck, head on the shoulder. Rest your shoulder, your head on your right shoulder and left shoulder like this, and feel the stretch at other opposite side. Like feel the stretch at opposite side here. So 3 times left side, 3 times right side. Come to the center, then bend forward and backward, bend forward and back side like this, and from down slowly start rotation, start rotation like this. Three times one direction and other, 3 times another direction, slowly. Right, 3 times like this. Come to center. So this was for neck, right? Then shoulder. This is also important because we are studying, and after some time we start facing pain here, upper back, right? So this rotation is also important. So for this, move 3 times up and down, still up and down, up and down 3 times, then 3 times forward and backward, front and back, front and back, and then go down, and from here start the rotation. Make a big circle from shoulder, 3 times in one direction and 3 times in other direction. Go down, and from there itself start rotation in opposite direction. Then after finish, put your hand like this and start rotation in one direction 3 times and other direction. With elbow make a big circle, right? And then another direction. So this will be done in 2 minutes. It will take 2 minutes for me because I am talking, so it taking more than 2 minutes, but usually it will take 2 minutes only. So this was for children, right? Now for adult, waist, kamar, knee and ankles, that is also important. So for adult you can do this waist rotation. So go back and front 3 times, go back, feel the stretch at other direction, feel the stretch, and 3 times back and forward. Then left, going left and feel the stretch, right, left and right. When you will see this video, maybe you will see the opposite direction. When I am moving left, you will see right because this is front camera. Okay, so 3 times left, 3 times right. Then start rotation. Okay, in clockwise direction with your camera. Make a big circle like that. So this is for adult, right? Lower part of body and upper part of body should be mostly stable. Only camera will move. Right? So 3 times in other direction. Okay, then knee. This is also important. So for knee, put your both palm on knee and start rotation in clockwise direction, and then anti-clockwise. take care while you rotating your knee. I mean, you should not harm your knee. Okay, so 3 times this, and then foot or ankle, because maximum all the weight of our body, this is the part which carry our entire body. We never realize or grateful for foot, but this carry our entire body. So do the exercise, take care of this, and do the rotation like this, make a, with toe make a big circle in one direction and then other direction like this 3 times. Then with other leg in one direction and then opposite direction, make a big circle. Then lift your body like this 10 times, slowly, right? And then 3 steps on heel, forward, walk, move forward on heel, 3 steps forward, 3 steps backward, 3 times. Okay, and then on your toe like this, 3 steps forward, 3 steps back. So likewise, three exercise for children and adult: eye, neck and shoulder, and for only for adult, kamar, knee and ankles or foot exercise, right? So for adult it will take 3 to 4 minutes, and children 2 minutes only, right? Now the bonus tips. Usually what happen when we sit on computer, start working, sometimes we spend hours, because I remember when I used to work from 8 o'clock morning till sometime 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock non-stop, I used to be on the computer, and that started my health, like back pain, neck pain, constipation, so many things, headache sometime by evening, that I used to face. So I figured out some hacks or idea not to stay on the sit in front of laptop or system for longer period of time. So for that, what was the tips I applied? I started drinking water, and not water from bottles, because from bottle when you drink, hardly 2, 3, 4 sip you drink with glass, 1 glass or 2 glass at the interval of, put alarm of every 1 hour or 1.5, 90 minutes. So when you drink water, what happen? Your stomach have more liquid, so you have to go to washroom. So in that process you get a rest, break away from computer, and when you walk, your body movement starts, right? So water is also good for health in terms of it fulfill the water requirement, plus also it make you to move from your place, not to stay for longer period of time in front of laptop or screen. So when you go to washroom, always wash your eyes, right? Eyes with water, put your water in eyes, so that will help additionally to eye to be healthy, right? Because having good vision, because we must protect our eyes to see this beautiful world and beautiful people. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Hope it will help you. If you have any comment, please share feedback. Thank you.